All right, we have another question here. It says, I have a question. I asked for validation and the collector sent bank statements. Is that valid? Can I challenge that? Yes, you can challenge that. They can't just send bank statements. It has to be more than that. You can ask for proof of contract. You can have proof of contract with them, the third party debt collector, and the proof of contract with the original creditor. They're going to send you the bank statements because that was what they got when they um, originally got the debt from the third party. I mean, not third party, from the original creditor. They might have purchased it directly, or they got it assigned and bought it from another portfolio company. Sorry about that. And let's see here. And forgive me, my nose is a little stopped up today. So what you would do is this is what you got to check out on that. So yes, they can send that back and they can try to get away with just that, but you can send back another letter saying thank you for sending the statements, but I'm asking also for proof of contract between me and you. How do you have my personal information? And then also the original contract from the original creditor. Also, you need to make sure, which you probably already did if you've been watching my videos, is that you did look to see if this debt is past legal statute of limitations to be able to collect. And where you would go to look at that is you would look on your credit reports, find the original creditor that initially gave you the credit, and look at the charge off date, and then go and look at your state's statute of limitations laws so you can know if you have to pay that debt. If you do, then you just continue on the trail of making them prove everything with doing a debt validation. They sent the statements, say, okay, thank you for the statements. I want the proof of contract between me and you. I want the contract from the original creditor, and then you want to get all of the charges that they're claiming in their total amount. So they've sent you a statement. That statement did not show the charges for all of the amounts that they're claiming. So you want to just keep picking at them, and at some point they're going to make a determination if they want to continue or if they're not going to want to continue. That's what usually happens. And if what it's sounding like with this one is that they potentially are a third party debt collector that purchased it from another debt collector, and that's why they only sent those bank statements. All right, I'm going to end the video here. This is, if you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Those links are below here. If you need your reports and scores, the links are below here. Go to your number 3scores.com. And if you need the debt validation letter, statute of limitations letter, and the cease and desist collection activities letter, those links are below this video there. You can grab those also. All right, thanks again. This is Stephen A. Williams, President and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com. Thank you.